Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new character on Janitor AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in janitorai.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official Janitor AI website where you can log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and using your credentials. Now once you are logged into your account, you can simply click on create a character in order to start creating your character. Now just go ahead and type in your name for the character and then you can simply upload an image for the avatar. You can then give in a short introduction about your character and then you can select which gender or type your character is. Then select whether you want to set it as a public or a private bot. If you choose it as a private, only you will be able to access your character. Then select what kind of rating you want to choose for your character and then define a personality. You can simply enter what your personality type will be for the character. You can choose as many personality types and separate each trait using a comma. Then simply type in the initial message that you want your character to send when someone creates a chat with it. After setting up various other details such as scenarios and example dialogues, you can simply click on Create Character in order to start creating your character. As you can see, you will need various token points in order to create a character. So make sure that you have enough character token points in order to continue with creation. So in order to create your character, you can simply access the menu right from the homepage at the top right button. After entering all of your details, just go ahead and click on the Create Character button and your character will be created right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create your own character in the Janitor AI application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.